In today's video, I will walk you through how to check what blockchain a coin uses on CoinMarketCap. To check what blockchain a cryptocurrency uses on CoinMarketCap, start by searching for the coin you want to review. Use the search bar at the top right and open the cryptocurrency's overview page. If the cryptocurrency is a token built on another blockchain, locate the contracts section. On the coin overview page, look at the left-hand sidebar directly below the coin name and current price. In the contracts section, check the blockchain name displayed next to the logo. This will show the primary blockchain network the token uses, along with the specific smart contract address. If the token is available on multiple blockchains, look for the More drop-down button next to the contract information. Select More to view the complete list of blockchain networks where the token has been deployed. For cryptocurrencies that operate as their own blockchain network, check the Tags section instead. Native coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or Avalanche do not use a contracts section because they operate on their own blockchain infrastructure. To find this information, scroll slightly down the left-hand sidebar until you reach the Tags section. Review the labels shown there. Look for the coin tag, which indicates that the asset is a native cryptocurrency with its own blockchain. You can also check for infrastructure tags, such as Layer 1 or Layer 2. Another way to check the blockchain information is through the About section. Scroll down past the main price chart until you find the About section for the cryptocurrency. Review the description provided in this section. The first few paragraphs will show information about the cryptocurrency's underlying infrastructure. Check the details to find the consensus mechanism used, such as proof of work or proof of stake, and whether the cryptocurrency operates on its own mainnet or functions as a utility token on another network. For token-based cryptocurrencies, use the Contracts section to find the blockchain network and smart contract details. For native cryptocurrencies, use the Tag section to identify blockchain-related labels. You can also review the About section for additional information about the network structure and technology used by the cryptocurrency. By checking these sections on the CoinMarketCap profile page, you can find the blockchain network associated with a cryptocurrency and view its available technical details. Thank you for watching.